Hello guys, this is my front yard garden, and as you can see, I have big um, hedge of lavender here. This is the front yard, and I'm going to show you how many bumblebees are there. Thousands of them. I hope they will not going to sting me, but I don't think bumblebees will sting. I think they don't know how to sting, or they don't have that needle in their back. Lots of them. Big